In this video, I'm going to explain how we can look up the age in age interval ranges. So in this case, we have age of the student and the age is 9 years 7 months. We need to look up this in age interval, and age interval mean this is 8 year 0 month, 8 year 5 month, 8 year 6 month, 8 year 11 month, and so on. And if we can see, this 9 year 7 month lies in between this column. But once we get the column, we need to look up in a whole column search where this rate is matching, and we need to find the position of the row where we get the matching rate. And once we get the position of row, we need to get these results from the result column. So this is the overall goal of the formula, how actually we can make Xlookup formula for this. No further ado, let's go together. The first thing, we need to develop a helper columns on which we have all of the possible combination for the ages interval. I already built these two columns, and in these two columns you can see this is age interval and this is the age. So in this age interval we have the minimum 8 years 0 month and the max 8 year 5 month. So till 5 we have this age interval, and similarly I did for all of the possible interval as per given the data here. Now what we need to do, we just need to write a lookup formula, and in this lookup formula I will write the lookup formula here. If I just type Xlookup formula, Xlookup, my lookup value is 97. Okay, my lookup array in this case, actually I want to get the interval, so my lookup value is this ages, and my lookup interval is age interval. Return array. If I just close the bracket and press enter, so actually this return age interval from this range as per age. Now what we need to do, we need to search this age interval in this range, and we need to find the columns we want. If I just type Xlookup again, so I will type here Xlookup, and in this Xlookup my lookup value is this whole Xlookup result, and my lookup array in this case is this all from A to E, from A to F, sorry, and my return array. Now let's see this step. My return array is the whole table I want. Okay, and if I just close the bracket, hit enter, it will return me only the column which are matching. So this is now an amazing. Now our goal is to split all of this text into a number. So how we can do it? If I use the new function Textsplit, and in this Textsplit my input range is H3 and my column delimiter is the dash. And if I just hit enter, it will return me the split value. If I just drag this formula till the end, it will return me all of the result in a split format. For the sake of checking, I will check if these are the number or not. So you can see these are not numbers. If I just try to sum it, it's not working. So we need to convert this to a value. So if I just type a value function around the Textsplit and close the bracket, hit enter, drag the formula down, and now if I just try it going to sum, mean these are now the value. Okay, now what we need to do, we just need to look up these values, this 18 values in this one, and find anywhere this matches. So in this case we are going to match in this row, but let's see how we can find the position using formula. So if I just type AND function, AND, if this value 80, we will make it absolute reference greater than or equal to this, and this value again greater less than or equal to J3, and hit enter. And if we just drag this formula down, we will only get the true for this matching row, and this is what we want. Now to get these results, we have different type of formula, but for now I will use the simple filter function. And in filter the array, we want to bring this array and include field when this column equal to true. Simply close the bracket, hit enter, and it will return me the results. And if I just try to change the 18 something like 29 or let's say 30, it will return me the result from this row. And if I just try to change the date of birth of the user, 30, 10/7, so 10/7 is lies in this column and rate is 30. So if we just see, this is the column and this is the row we want. So 37 is the result. This is how we can build this result using these helper columns, and of course you just need to hide them when you are ready to use the sheet. That is all about. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel so that I can make more video for you. Thank you so much.